guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're doing decorating my house for Christmas, how I've been decorating since early September, and I've been holding off to share with y'all until now. I'm so excited because I got really good newer decor pieces, but also I reused a lot of last year's and like the years before. I'll have everything I can linked down below, all my trees, all my ornaments, everything. Let's get started. Okay, I have all my Christmas stuff set up just so I could see it and I don't overspend by buying like doubles or very similar things. H&M re-released their little trees. I love these because you can store them flat, and they have a brown color this year that I definitely need to get. And then I did go to At Home pretty early this year, I think very early September, like post Labor Day, to see if they have restocked their very cute gingerbread collection, and they did. This is a newer addition. I got the rest last year. All of them are from At Home except for this one that it was red. I attempted to paint it. It looks horrible, but whatever. And this one I found luckily at TJ Maxx. The little ones too, all the gnome ones, and then this one is also new. This is all At Home. This was from Home Goods. This was from At Home. That is from Walmart. I'm really excited actually to go to Walmart this year. And I found this on Temu. They are little nutcracker placemats, and this like really cute. This will be Olivia's playroom decor, Olivia's bedroom decor, and then this is like our main neutral decor. Let's deal with this situation. As you can see, very messy, cluttered, not my best office look. We gotta clear out these shelves, make space for the Christmas decor, and kind of like reorganize here a little bit. So let's start with that. Okay, clear the shelves for the most part, and then I have them brought down the little pencil trees for my office that it will go in this little corner. It's not too big, so it should be easy to do by myself. This little storage bag is definitely from Amazon. I still need to like flock it a bit, and I think I'm gonna move the shelf. Well, we figured out why I had to move the shelves. It's because this was Olivia's Christmas tree, but we're just leaving it here for now. I removed the shelf, so it would be kind of pointless to move it. And I pulled out one of these boxes from Amazon. This is also Amazon. I know I have really good ones here too. Okay, as good as this is gonna get for now, I thought I would actually get started on the shelf. Honestly, this won't be complete until the rest of my new Anthropologie houses come in. They release a few more styles this year. These are from Target, and I don't love how different they look. And this is where the second shelf ended up. I don't love it, but I think this tree situation is cute with the mirror. The rest, don't ask me why, but Anthropologie thinks my birthday is in November and not in July. But I took full advantage of that 20% off coupon, and I got a ribbon for my tree, and then the last house that I wanted. I also got this white one from Michael's, but I don't think it goes with the vibe. And we're about to go change up my office tree together. I wanted to show you all the houses now that I have pretty much all the new ones except for one. I'm gonna wait until it's on sale. These three are new, and then this one was restocked. Unfortunately, everything else is from years past. I wish they would have restocked all of it. I think it was a missed opportunity, but it's okay. I'll link the ones that I can find. I love this village. I want to keep adding to it every single year and then pass it on to Olivia when she's older. Okay, this is what we're working with right now. I think I'm gonna have to take off the majority of the ornaments, add the tinsel, tie the ribbon, and then re-add the ornaments. Okay, I took off all the ornaments and all the things. I'm gonna scoot everything back or forward a little just so it's not cramped. These are all the ornaments that are for my tree, which I feel like just described me to a T. Okay guys, this was way too much work to undo it, but I don't like it. The tinsel is very messy. It's hard to place correctly, and then the bows were really filling up the tree. Just maybe not for me. I'm gonna leave it for this year, but I don't think it's gonna be a thing again. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, it's time. We can't wait any longer. We're gonna put up the tree in the living room. It's October 3rd. I have my reasons, okay? I'm gonna be too pregnant later on, and I have videos to film to get up for y'all. Olivia's gonna help. She's listening to Christmas music in her playroom. Okay, we're having a small little setback with the top of the tree because we can't figure out where the connection is supposed to go, so it's not turning on. But I did put to remote control it. It comes with 3 of these for super cheap. That way you don't have to like plug it in every time, which I really liked last year. But my husband's currently trying to figure out what's wrong. Okay, it definitely looks strange because we had to add lights and the top ones are twinkling, which... Okay, now I'm gonna I have 2 different options for stocking holders, so we'll see. As you can see, I have pretty good neutral ones, except for this one, and I really wanted to have the 5. Hey guys, I wanted to show you an update on the Christmas decor. It is almost November 1st, so I had to. So we have the tree. I got some of the Studio McGee ornaments this year. I only decided to keep one of the boxes because they were more cool tone. Those I still haven't even put up. I don't know if I'm even gonna keep, but this is where we're at with this tree. I really like it. I think it's very us. I have a little ultrasound picture, the mirror, like the mini mirror with the big one, some newer ornaments. I love these pearl bows from the Studio McGee line, and we still haven't got our Christmas card pictures back, so when those are in my possession I will print them out. But I think it looks really cute. I love how it looks. And then for the stockings, I decided to full send it with the pink. I said, why not? Because we also had this one from the clearance last year. Unfortunately, this year Anthropologie didn't really do much, so I decided to just full send it with the pink. I even added some pink ribbon. I also added this little garland that I got from Michael's. And I love it. I think it looks whimsical and pretty in a very neutral living room area. Over here we don't have much. I got these 2 snowmen from Target that I showed y'all, and my favorite Anthropologie candle. Trying to figure out what to do with the entryway. I had these 2 garlands that were unused. Okay, so the green used to be the garland for the mantle, but I got one on clearance last year that I like more. Thought I might as well use it instead of buying the natural one that I always get for Turjo's. I'll still put that one over there in the big mirror. And then I got these 2 velvet nutcrackers from Walmart. They were elsewhere. I don't know if I should put them here. Maybe tie a bow. Keep it like this. I like it. These still need to go out because I also have these trees here. Okay, or is this one a little better? Just 1 nutcracker, books, candle, and then bows to the sconces. I think I kind of like this one a little more. I was gonna add that color bow, but it came with just enough to make that bow. I kind of like this one. It's a little more understated. Let me show you the dining room and let me know which one you prefer. I had shown you all these in a Temu unboxing. I actually ended up finding the 2 extra that I needed at the dollar store out of all places, so I just grabbed 2 more. They're not identical, but it's really hard to tell. Then I have this candelabra here from Target, and I got the fall theme candles on Amazon. I'm gonna change them to Christmassy colors in December. And then in the back, I'll show you a close-up. I have just those 2 mini wreaths. I got those last year from Target. I only have 3, so if I had enough to fill the whole frame situation, then I would have done it. But and then in these frames, I usually have black and white photos of like milestones and things, but I decided to do just Christmas card pictures. Look how cute that picture is of Olivia. I love it. It's my favorite. So we have these probably until the new year. I don't feel the need to change them, but I think the mini wreaths with the red bow look cute. Okay, I didn't show y'all the process of this, mostly because I let Olivia have creative liberty, which I usually don't. So this was decorated by her. She chose where to put everything, and even though it's not how I would put it, it's hers and I love it. And then this skirt I also got last year from Anthropologie. The dogs are loving this tree. It has a little bows. I thought it was very whimsical. I used to have it in my office, but then we put this up yesterday. I thought it looked way more. But we have the little houses. I don't think I filmed this for y'all, but we put them all up, and some of her garlands. I decided to decorate the playroom way more than her actual room, just because now that she's sleeping on the floor, I don't want any accidents or distractions. And then I have another garland over here. Okay, sorry, I should have turned on the light this entire time, but you can see better here. There's a few things that don't really go here. That's Santa Claus. She wanted there. it's there. I definitely need to clean this up though. Look at that mess. I was gonna wait to post this video until I could decorate the outside of the house, but honestly y'all, I don't think I can decorate like that early in November. I don't know, I'll still try, but I definitely wanted to post this now, so I'll show you. So I got these from Hobby Lobby, and my plan is to do like the walkway into our front door filled with these. I think this should cover it, but I'm not 100% sure, so we'll see. Then we have 2 columns in the front of our house, like a little porch. So I got 2 of these from Temu, super inexpensive. The theme is like Nutcracker slash Sugar Plum Fairy slash gingerbread house, because I'm also gonna hang these on the outside. So I'm gonna try to do something like really different and whimsical on the outside, which I'm not used to, but I thought it'd be fun to try it out and maybe win something. I also have like a few little Nutcracker yard things, but I cannot find those at the moment. So this is what we have, and I'll share it over on Instagram or something when I actually put these up. Oh, and then I have these from Anthropologie last year. Like I said, I don't know why Anthropologie barely released any Christmas decor. I don't know if maybe they'll do it later, but so far I'm like so unimpressed with how little they have this year compared to last. But oh, these are Hobby Lobby too. I got these from Walmart. They came pretty beat up. My plan is to put some bows, like ribbon around here. I don't necessarily like how this looks, so I didn't really show you guys any sort of process. I just think it looks lackluster, so I'm gonna have to fix it, but it definitely looks better than what it used to look like. There's a lot going on and it almost like doesn't go together. So this is like our bar area, so I have like the ice chest. That's a bottle holder that's like Christmas theme. This is a sphere that actually turns on, so kind of like a light. I put these bottle brush trees, Anthropologie candle, but I'm not loving any of it, so we'll see. I already had a nativity scene from last year. It's more cutesy, but I thought this one was more minimal. I'll show you. I have it on the shelf in our dining area, and I thought it went better with like our living room decor. I don't know though, this was $35, and I don't know if y'all can tell how tiny, like everything's so small. Even like the largest piece is like the size of my finger. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I feel like the price point is really steep for what it is, but they are ceramic. What should I do? Please tell me. Hello. I thought I would do this on camera with y'all, and Bolt was here. You cannot see him, but he is here. So I have 3 boxes that my aunt so graciously let me keep in my house of all hers and my grandma's Christmas decorations. Like one of my top childhood memories was my aunt and my grandma's Christmas tree. It was almost fairy-like, beautiful, vintage, gorgeous. But I'm so excited, so I thought I would open it with y'all. I've been keeping them in the boxes that she packed them in until now, because I was like, what's the point? I don't even know what this is. Okay, these are gorgeous. There's some ornaments. Hopefully y'all can see. Oh, a little bell. I'm gonna cry, y'all. This reminds me so much of my grandma. It breaks my heart. How beautiful. Oh, she always had the most gorgeous ornaments. Some of these are broken. Like this is an Amazon box that got sent to Venezuela. I didn't even know that was a possibility. That's what I remember. This is the most adorable thing ever. Yeah, I kind of need to store these correctly. Swimming in a box by itself. Look how little this little angel is. Like ornaments. Oh, the little snow globe, y'all. I'm not okay. What are these other magnets? Oh, this is so... I'm not okay. I'm gonna cry. Look how gorgeous. These must be so old. Let me take everything out and then I can show you guys a haul. That way this is not boring, because it really means a lot to me and I kind of want to have it all on camera for memory's sake. Y'all see Bolt? Bolt! Oh my god, he put his paws inside my UV lamp and looked like he was getting a little manicure. You're so cute. Okay, I'll be back. I'm almost done with the first box. This is the smallest of them all. There was like quite a bit of trash. So I'm still sorting what's broken, see if I can fix it, and then I'm starting to organize them in these little storage If you're interested, I'll link them in my Amazon shop and in the description. And I'm gonna throw this away. I love how pretty everything looks. I found these. Everything's just so vintage and beautiful. So I put the bigger ones in these, and then I'm filling up this box with like the longer ones. The bird cages are so gorgeous. I'm also gonna declutter some of mine. Not only did I change my decor this year, but these are cheaper from when I was in college, so I either will donate them or give them to like a family friend. So guys, that's it for now. I'll be sharing the outdoor decorations and any changes that I make over on Instagram and TikTok, so definitely follow me on there if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.